good question. What is it about fences? Sometimes the people
How's this for
on the other side
YouTube,
of the
Brandon?
fence see a lock change. They feel a little more comfortable. What do you suppose that is?
Little dog takes on big challenge, part 1.
Doggy horn.
I love you. Let me love you, Phoebe.
Get her, Brady. Get her.
Telling you, I get up the camera, fun stops.
Shy.
The lover. The beauty. Get him. Get him. Get him, Phoebe. Well, not sniff him. Get him.
Shining?
Oh, for crying out loud. This isn't The Shining.
Mrs. Dudley?
Boring video. Take 1.
Hello?
Yeah, she's up in the corner. She's not in here.
Hey, Humphrey. Oh, big dog.
Mrs. Dudley?
Yeah, exciting, I'm sure. Lame. Do something.